happy birthday. Listen and read. A person's birthday is a special day. This is the date when the person was born. People around the world celebrated birthdays in different ways. In many countries, people celebrated with a cake. There are candles on the cake. There is one candle for each year of the person's life. People sing songs for the persons. At the end of the songs, the persons blow out the candles. In some countries, there is often a party for the child's birthday. The child friends come to the home. There is special food like sweet. কি খবর শরীরে? মাথা ব্যথা গেছে না? মাথা ব্যথা? The children play games and sing. The parents often bring a birthday gift for the child. The gifts are wrapped in colorful paper. The gift may be a toy, a book, or some clothes. কষ্ট করতে পারবে তাকে দিয়ে মারা হয়েছে ঘন্টা 5 কিলোমিটার তোমার নাম কয় ঘন্টা করছে হিসেব করলাম 5 ঘন্টা হিসাব করে তো কত হয়েছে 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 100 তো মনে রেখো আবার 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 200 হলো নাকি 10, 20, 30, 50 250 না 250 ঘন্টা মিনিট 250 দিয়ে কয় ঘন্টা 300 হলে 250 শূন্য মিনিট আছে আর 50 ঘন্টা লাগে 50 মিনিট লাগবে In some countries, the parents don't bring gifts. The most important thing is to enjoy the day and spend times with friends and family. Happy birthday. Read the sentence. Write T for true or A for false. A birthday is the date when a person was born. People celebrated birthday in the some way around the world. On a birthday cake, there is one candle for each year of a child's age. The friends and family blow out the candles on a birthday cake. Children in some countries have a party for their birthday. Gifts are the most important things for celebrated birthday. Listen and sing happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Nafis, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Listen, read and say. Write a date when we write the day, the month of the day, the 21st of February 1952 in the language Maltese day. On this day in 1952, students in Dhaka gives their lives for their mother language. The day is now called International Mother Language Day. Thanks.